Go do whatever you want, dude.
It looks good.
Let's see what happens.
I think he was the most nervous to do this.
Nobody
Don't
needs.
the cameras. Don't worry, we won't miss a thing.
No matter what line, he's gonna make it.
Yeah.
I really think the easy for him.
What size tires does he have?
35s.
Like space and just
I can't see that.
A little scrape.
Hey, you loving me now, aren't you?
You sit on my phone? Alright, cool.